Hey, Mommy's got a piece of pepperoni. Look. Ooh. Ah, sit down. Okay, ready? Can you shake? Good girl. Can you shake with your right? No, your right. Good girl. Left. Good girl. Good girl. No, your left and your right. High five. High five. Good girl. Pray. Pray before you eat your treat. Pray. Pray. Up. Pray. Pray. Good girl. Good girl. Can you tell Mama? God bless you. Can you say, I love you. I love you. God bless you. God bless you. I love you. But I love you. Can you say, you love me? God bless you. You love me. You do. Here's a piece. There's a piece for the baby. You gotta chew it. She has a habit of gulping. There you go. Can you pray one more time? Let me turn it so you can see her. Pray. 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 Good girl. There you go. That's her doing a couple of jumps. She loves her praying. Good girl. Good girl, Gigi.